Hello and welcome to Northeast Media Hub, the fastest growing digital media platform. I am Adalbert Khar with the latest Hub news. Be informed, be alert. Forest guards killed a dreaded poacher during an encounter in the dense jungle in Assam's Nameri National Park on Monday morning. The incident occurred nearly 50 kilometers from the park's regional office during the Forest Department's anti-poaching operation. Forest guards recovered a handmade firearm and the carcass of the sambar deer. The poacher has not been identified yet, but efforts are going on to identify the deceased poacher. Meanwhile, the Forest Department has taken a slew of measures to combat wildlife crime in different national parks of Assam. The District Magistrate East Khasi Hills on Monday has imposed a curfew in Maukanrao village under Madantating Police Station in East Khasi Hills District following serious concerns about the deteriorating law and order situation in the area. District Magistrate Rosetta Mary Kurba in an order has mentioned that the decision was taken in response to incidents of vandalism and property destruction, including damage at the under construction Ramakrishna Mission School in Maukanrao. The Section 163 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita or BNSS will stand until further notice, and the curfew applies specifically to Maukanrao village and was issued ex parte due to the urgent need to restore order. Residents have been urged to comply with the restrictions to aid in maintaining peace and security in the region, mentioned the order. Putting a stamp of approval on Rickman G. Momin's style of open-door leadership, the state unit of the BJP, India's ruling party 3 terms in a row, has unanimously decided to continue with the incumbent president's guidance for yet another term. It said that during his last term, over the past year or so, the president has restructured the organization in Meghalaya, ensuring better teamwork amongst the leaders, camaraderie amongst the cadre, and belief in a brighter future amongst the rank and file of BJP as a whole. His inspirational model of leadership has attracted leaders and workers from other parties too, and Meghalaya BJP has been swelling in numbers with many more names expected to join in due course of time, the party said. The ceremonial torch of the Meghalaya Games 2025 arrived in Jowai on Saturday after an 18-hour journey covering 360 kilometers starting from Tura. The torch travelled through Nongstoin and Shillong before reaching Lom Kerwiang Community Hall, where it was received with enthusiasm and pride. Jowai MLA Wailat Miki Shila, Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA President John Kharshieng, MSOA General Secretary F. Pariat, and the headman of Lom Kerwiang, Lanmatu Lalu, were among the dignitaries present to welcome the torch. The National Stock Exchange will conduct a student skilling program in different educational institutions across Meghalaya from 20th to 23rd January 2025. The Education Department of Meghalaya had signed a Memorandum of Understanding or MOU with the National Stock Exchange of India Limited NSE on 28th November 2024 in a significant move to empower the youth of Meghalaya. The collaboration aims to provide a platform for skill development in the banking, financial services and insurance or BFSI sector. As part of this initiative, the National Stock Exchange will conduct a student skilling program in different educational institutions across Meghalaya. The Meghalaya Games 2025 witnessed the introduction of an exciting new sport to its lineup, roll ball. Although the sport is being introduced as a demo game or exhibition, but it proved to be both entertaining and exciting to watch. The debut of roll ball is expected to bring an added level of excitement to the event and inspire further participation in this growing sport. Roll ball combines a unique blend of speed, skill and teamwork, captivating both players and spectators alike. First played in Pune in 2005, the sport is a dynamic mix of roller skating, basketball, handball and throwball. Each team comprises 6 players who work together to score goals by dribbling and passing the ball while on roller skates. Thank you for listening to Hub Podcast. For latest news and updates, follow us on www.hubnetwork.in. Download Hub News app in your mobile from Google Play Store and Apple App Store. For promotion and publicity, write to us at info@hubnetwork.in. Thank you. Kublai Shibon, Mithela.